Hello, hello. Welcome back to part 2, making the bruschetta. Bit excited about this. Alright, first of all, you want to preheat your oven at 220 degrees Celsius. You want to get an oven tray ready to go, and you want to slice your bread up roughly 2 centimetres wide, as much or as little as you want. Oh, look at this, it just turned out amazing, mate. Okay, once we've cut our bread up, alright, so I'm going to do 2 different sorts. Now when it comes to bruschetta, there's no rules. You can put anything you want on it, alright? So I'm going to use garlic, tomato paste, cracked black pepper, olive oil, oregano, black olives, anchovies. If you know me, you know I can't stand anchovies. So obviously they're my partner's ones. Mozzarella. Now I'm going to get about 3 slices of bacon, and I'm going to cut it up really, really small. And I'm going to get some spring onions and cut them up really, really small. Now I'm going to do one with the anchovies and olives, and I'm going to do one with the bacon and spring onion. So if you don't like the anchovies nut, you can do the bacon and spring onion one. But literally you can put anything you want on. I used to do them tuna and corn, chicken and tomato, like just anything you want. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is our oil mix. Now in a small bowl we're going to put some olive oil. If you don't do enough, it's really easy, you just pour a bit more in. And then I'm going to get some garlic. Now you can use fresh garlic cloves crushed up, as little as much as you like, depending on what your taste buds are. I'm going to use the jar stuff like I always do. Mix it in there with it. Get it in there. Right, a little bit more olive oil. Now we're going to get a little brush. So mix it up. Right, so we get a brush and we just dip it in. Here am I in view, yep. And just spread it on. Try and get it on the edges on both sides. Alright, and do as many as you want to do, and then set them on our tray. Oh, yum. Alright, they're ready to go. It made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 out of one of our breads. So you can make up to 60 for a party with the 4 sticks of bread we made up. It's pretty awesome, eh? Alright, so as soon as the oven is hot enough at 220, as soon as it clicks off and it's hot enough, we want to put it in for between 2 and 3 minutes to start crusting them up a little bit. Oh, alright, those ones took 4 minutes because they're a little bit fatter, I suppose, than they're supposed to be. Leave your oven on. Okay, now be careful because it's hot. First thing we want to do is get some tomato paste and spread it on them. And then we want to put some of our mozzarella on them. Put it on all of them. Oh, baby. Half of them I'm going to put anchovies. I'll just break it in half and put 2 little strips on each one. Then we're going to stick some sliced olives on those ones. Now with the olive and anchovy ones, we're going to put some cracked pepper on them. And we're going to do a little sprinkle, I'll get it in my hand first, of some dry oregano. A little sprinkle on top of them. Oh, if I like these would be amazing. But I don't. Just a nice little sprinkle of oregano. So it does set them off. Alright, now I'll flick it around. And for ones that most normal people eat, I'm only joking. Alright, bacon. So I cut the bacon really little for these compared to normal. So I'm baking them. And then a little bit of spring onion. Like I said, you can use normal onion if you want, but the spring onion is yummy. Now for these ones I like to sprinkle just a little bit of seasoned all on them. But like I said, everything is optional. You can make them however you like. Oh, I'm so excited about this. They look absolutely amazing. Alright, in the oven they go for approximately 3 minutes. You want the cheese all bubbling and a little bit of colour on them. Yay! Oh my god, it smells awesome in here. Oh, alright, they normally take about 3 minutes. This lot took 5 for whatever reason. So just keep an eye on them. Oh mate. Bam! Look at this beauty. Exactly how you want them to look. They're friggin' amazing. Oh, plate them up and send them straight out hot. Well, there we have it, folks. Our very own bruschetta, made from scratch. Friggin' awesome, isn't it? Wait, have yourselves an awesome day. I'll be back. Love yous. Bye.